So you want to start a YouTube channel, do you? Well, I can tell you it's one of the best things that I've done, not only to market my business, but to actually learn about myself. So that was kind of, the side effect of having this YouTube channel, but it's helped me out so much. And looking back, it's been almost a year now. Next week is going to be exactly 1 year that I've actively had a YouTube channel. And there's a lot of things that I've learned. There's a lot of things that I probably would have done differently if I could start all over again this year. And in this video, I'm going to cover the mistakes that I made and what I learned so that you don't have to make the same ones. All right, so let's get into it. Here are the biggest 3 things that I learned from starting a YouTube channel that I would have done differently. And when I made these changes, I'm telling you, my subscribers just blew up. It was such a snail's pace in the very beginning, the first couple of months. But again, when I implemented these specific changes is when things just started quadrupling. Here's what they are. Number 1 is I would have niched down. Now, I'm not talking specifically about a specific subject. Like, for example, there's times I talk about Instagram. What I'm talking about when I say niching down is really niching down your audience and knowing exactly who you're talking to. Because in the beginning of my channel, if you guys have been with me for the last year, you'll notice that I talked about, Instagram and Pinterest and YouTube, but I also talked about things like coaching and sales and SEO and keyword research, like all of these things. And it was just kind of all over the place. But the thing is, what I didn't keep in mind is who is the audience that I'm doing this for. But when I identified that I'm doing this specifically for small business owners as opposed to influencers or anybody else, I knew exactly how to film my videos and how to position myself, and it made a huge difference. Number 2, I would have started having guests on my channel right from the start. I've had several guests up until this point, and I'm so grateful because the thing is, once you have a guest who also has a social media following, whether that's on YouTube, on Pinterest, on Instagram, wherever it is, you're basically exposing your channel to their audience. So for example, a lot of times when a guest has been on my show, they've also promoted the video on their Instagram and their Facebook. And that means that their followers are now going to your channel, or in this case my channel. They came to my channel to see this video of the person that they knew, and if they liked what they saw, they checked out some of the other content and they subscribed. I always saw a spike in subscribers every time somebody would promote a video that they were a guest in. All right, so lesson number 3 that I learned from starting a YouTube channel that I would have done differently is I would have done more videos that I actually wanted to make that felt more natural to me. So instead of, trying to please the algorithm, which is what I was doing in the very beginning. So you guys have noticed I've done a lot of kind of techie tutorial type videos, and that's sometimes what's popular and what people are actually searching for. But I found that in those videos, I didn't come across very natural. And to be honest, those videos were not as fun to make. And sometimes it's okay to make certain videos for the algorithm, but a lot of times it's a lot more fun to actually make videos that you enjoy making. And if you've been my subscriber for a while, I would love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the progress of my channel, and also what videos you like the best and what videos you would like to see more of. So just comment below. And if you are not a subscriber, it is free and it's easy to join. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button below and the bell notification, and that way you'll be notified every time I release a new video. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me. And for the next video, I want you to click right over here and I'll see you there. Bye for now.